At the stroke of midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. This powerful quote by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru encapsulates the essence of Independence Day, a day that holds immense significance for every Indian. Today is the day to celebrate the hard earned freedom of our nation, a freedom that came after years of struggle, sacrifice, and perseverance. India's journey to independence was marked by a relentless fight against oppression and injustice. Once known as the Golden Bird, where डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती थी बसेरा, our land was rich in culture, resources, and prosperity. But then the British came and depleted all of our resources, transforming our prosperity into turmoil and leaving our people in poverty and despair. Our nation, once self sufficient and flourishing, faced widespread famine and suffering. Yet, amid this darkness, there shone the light of our brave freedom fighters. They, with their indomitable will, rose against the might of British Empire just to ensure that we could breathe the air of freedom today. How can we forget their sacrifices? How can we not be inspired by their bravery? Our freedom fighters faced unimaginable hardships, imprisonment, torture, and even death, all for the vision of a free India. Their courage and selflessness are beyond words. On August 15, 1947, that dream became a reality. This date holds unparalleled significance as it marks the end of an era of oppression and the dawn of a new beginning. The Indian National Congress played a pivotal role in this struggle, uniting people from diverse backgrounds under a common cause. The Quit India movement of 1942 was a turning point, a call for complete independence that resonated across the nation. However, our freedom came with a heavy price. The partition of India led to unprecedented turmoil with millions displaced and countless lives lost. Families were torn apart, and the scars of partition remain etched in our collective memory. Despite this, we emerged as a resilient nation determined to rebuild and progress. Reflecting on India's journey since 1947, we see a nation transformed from an agrarian economy into a burgeoning industrial powerhouse. Our strides in science and technology, space exploration, IT, and healthcare highlight our growth. Education and literacy have empowered our youth, paving the way for a brighter future. Our diversity, once seen as a challenge, is now our greatest strength. We are a nation where over a billion of people speak different languages, practice various religions, and yet stand united under one flag. Our cultural heritage continues to inspire the world, from timeless wisdom of yoga to the vibrant traditions of music and dance. But our journey is far from over. As Swami Vivekananda wisely said, "Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached." It is our responsibility as youth of India to carry forward this legacy. We must commit ourselves to build a nation that is strong and compassionate. As we stand united under our fluttering tricolor, where each stripe, each color represents the dreams and aspirations of over a billion hearts beating as one. So let us be the change we wish to see in the world, working tirelessly to create a future envisioned by our freedom fighters. At the end, I would only like to say, देश में अपना नहीं दुनिया में देश का नाम हो। देश में अपना नहीं बल्कि दुनिया में देश का नाम हो। जब आँख खुले तो धरती हिंदुस्तान की हो, जब आँख बंद हो तो यादें हिंदुस्तान की हो। हम मर भी जाएं तो कोई गम नहीं, मरते वक्त बस मिट्टी हिंदुस्तान की हो।